All right, for this DIY, we're going to be using one of the wooden boxes that are from Dollar Tree, one of the succulents that are in the little plastic containers. We are actually going to be pulling it out of the container and only using the succulent. I'm going to be using chalk paint. This is white chalk paint, as well as I'm going to be using just the top part of this family stencil that I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using one of these pop-up stickers as well. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start by painting the wooden house. Now, because there is a design in the back, I'm sure that it's going to take more than one coat of paint, but that's okay. Now we're just gonna let this dry. All right, so it's dry. Let's go ahead and get started decorating it. So I wanna start with this design here. I was thinking of putting it like this. And I know stenciling sometimes is very difficult because it bleeds. So I'm just gonna try my hardest to make it look good. That's not a good start. just going to use something to try to help me lift it without dragging it. I think that turned out pretty good. Alright, so I have my design. I'm going to get my glue gun. My idea is to glue the succulent just to the corner. Now I like the idea of maybe a little bit of black around the edges. And the little pop-up sticker that I am going to use says, "Believe in you, that's how you make your dreams come true." Now if I wanted to, I can put a little piece of hot glue, but I think I'm just going to just put that. Needs something else. Do you guys think that if I put a second succulent in the other corner, it'll look bad? Let's give it a try. Previously had done was cut it, and then I hot glued it so that it didn't come apart. I'm just gonna let that hot glue dry. Those little stickers really work well. This is why they're projects, because you just never know what may go wrong with it. Good thing is that's why you can always correct it. I like that. So we're going to go ahead and hot glue this in the corner. Now I'm actually going to put hot glue on this sticker. And that is your finished product. I think it's cute. I think it's different.